Welcome to a journey into the world of PointView, the comprehensive solution for managing point cloud data. Whether you're a seasoned pro or new to this domain, PointView is here to revolutionize the way you work with data. Whether it's drone data, Navis data, or even a video from your phone. So let's dive into the heart of PointView's incredible data management capabilities. With PointView, managing your point cloud and image data becomes effortless. Here's how it all works. So here's your main dashboard. Here you can navigate to all your projects, each with its own drone data, and click to see the project and take measurements, use tools, etc. One of PointView's exceptional features is its proficiency in handling drone data. So let's explore this in depth. First, we create our project, setting if the drone data has a relevant reference system or if it's just floating. Then we import the data file. The user has already set up the amount of overlap for each picture set in the drone software. PointView then processes the image to, for example, orthophoto, a terrain model, or one of the other options here. Finally, View processed point clouds in the PointView viewer, and here you can also take measurements. So PointView is not just a tool, it's an integrated platform designed to simplify your data management. It empowers you to manage, share and process data from various instruments directly within your web browser, eliminating the need for any downloads or installations. So the future of data management is here, and PointView is at the forefront of this transformation. Our platform is constantly evolving to ensure you stay ahead in point cloud processing, 3D modeling and data sharing. So join us to be a part of this exciting journey. You can visit our website, the link is in the description, and sign up for a free trial.